So quick update on the '06 Chrysler. Second day. Yesterday it got in. At the end of the day, we washed it. We brought it into the bay. Didn't pretty much do too much to it. This morning, we've already went ahead and started pulling it apart. As you'll see, we pulled off the front hood, the fenders, all the lights, the rear bumper, all that. What we're doing right now is we're going through and marking and taking care of all the dings and or dents. So we're going to do that. We'll body work it pretty much with all this together. Once we get all the body work done, we'll finish pulling off the doors and the sliders. So then that way we can paint it all together in one piece. Pretty cool. The only other update is on the little ding guards. They held them on a little bit differently than what we first suspected. So we're just going to body work that in, fill the holes, and then make it flush. So that way it looks like we were never there. So that's it. So this is day 2. Hopefully by the end of the day, we have all the dings pretty much squared away. Same thing for the dents. So then that way we can prep it to get it in the booth to get the first coat of primer. And then after that, then we'll block it down and everything else. Thank you.